Good morning, students of class 8. Today we shall understand networking concepts. So, what is network? Network is a group of computers and computer related devices. Network it helps us to share data and information over the internet. Networks, various type of networks are available in the market. Jio, Airtel, these are the example of networks. So many computers devices together create a network. So first, this diagram is showing working of a network. A globe is in the center, computer, mobile, many routers are connected. It means all devices are connected to the global networking system. So first, advantage of networking. What are the advantage of networking? First, easy data sharing. We can share data globally using network. We can send data in a small geographical area or in large geographical area. So we can share data as well peripheral devices. We can share data and easy access to data. Data stored on a local storage device may be lost, but if we store data over the network, our data remain secure. We can retrieve data at any moment of time. That is why data we should keep over the network devices. Cost effectiveness. Using computer network allow us to share hardwares. For example, if we have 30 computers and we have only one printer, then we can use local area network to connect a single computer to all 30 computers, and we all the users from the computers, they can give printout. That means it is cost effectiveness also. We can save our money using network. No need to keep hard copies of documents. When we use network, we keep data over the network and we do not need to store too much hard copy in our office. Next, networking components. So try to understand networking components means networking peripherals, devices which are responsible to establish a network connection. First is, which is very important, NIC, network interface card. So network interface card, this is network interface card. This device has a ROM chip that contains a unique number, which is the hardware address of the media access control, MAC address. In easy language we can say NIC is a device that we use to connect to the internet, and this device nowadays are available internal and external both, and this device help us to connect to the internet. Next is modem, modulator and demodulator. Modem means it translates digital signal into analog signal and vice versa. When we try to send any information over the internet, then modem accept our digital signals which we have given using a computer, and that signal is translated by modem into analog signal, and it travel all over the network, and at the end receiver point one another modem is there which works as demodulator, which translates again analog signal into digital signal. So modem, what it does, it takes our digital signal and translate into analog signal, and modem in the end again it translate into digital signal, then we can get the information with the help of modem. And one more things, analog signal and digital signal. Digital signal you know very well, we use in the computer, mobile nowadays, but analog signal in the telephone line, you know very well, in the telephone line analog signal, this is remain in the form of wave. Modems are used to connecting components to the internet. Modem are connected to a computer and the telephone lines. Okay, next is hub. Hub is a device which is mostly used to establish a network, local area network connection. Hardly 8 ports are there, means 8 computers, or using advanced technology we can connect more than 8 also. We can connect computers to communicate, to share data among them. So we will understand a hub is a device that is used to connect computers in a network. Many computers we can connect in a network. In a hub, when the one computer sends data on the network, the hub simply forward the packets to all the other computers connected to it. Means hub is the central network, and it sends data to all connected computers, and this is faster, and this hub we use to establish local area network. And if pocket is not belongs to that particular terminal computer, then packet will be rejected, ignored by the hub, and again it will go to the accurate computers. Switch is also like a hub, but this is more intelligent, advanced device. We can connect so many intelligent device. Switch is a device that is used to connect computers in a network. Okay, so switch and hub both work same, and the switch sends the incoming data to the desired destination only. Wherever data should go, there only switch sends the data. Okay, repeater what it does, when we send data over the large network area, then data gets weakened on the way. Then repeater boosts, receives the data, and again repair the data and datagrams, data packets, and again send to the boost and send to the network. So repeater is a communication device, okay, that regenerates signals. Signal gets weakened on the way when it travels a long distance, then repeater's duty is to receive that weakened signal and make it strong and boost to the network to send the data. Okay, repeater, this is the repeater device. These all devices help network system. Router sends data router sends data and moves over the internet. Router is a device which travels data over the internet and responsible to send data to the destination. And router is very convenient, and it divide our data in a small packets into small datagram and travel all over the networks. Okay, so I will upload later gateway all this in the next video, because video becomes too large. Okay, thank you very much.